restaurants around here. You can see all restaurants around here on Dempsey Road. We have one market as well, small market for like daily needs. You can get bread and all that over here. This is also like a cuisine where you can eat. I can go from here as well, and I can go from here as well. I just wait for this crossing. No, we have to go from this side. We can go from here also. The kind of cars you'll see over here. So I went one day inside this one. Okay. See the lighting, guys. Just for Christmas. This is the Dempsey Cookhouse and Bar. You can see the lighting, guys. So I've just taken a shortcut. My wife was telling me to go it from the other side. Okay. Now this is also a parking lot, a small parking lot. I think you can find almost every kind of car here. Ranging from, starting from Mercedes to BMW, to Ferrari and everything. And this is like a nice place to eat out there. We also have something called Bombay Garden, where you can find Hindi songs playing. बहुत सारे हिंदी गाने वालों के लिए भी है यहाँ पे. ये देखो एक मिनी कूपर और one Mercedes. This is a small market, guys. You want to go into the market? No? Maybe when we come back, we'll go inside the market. So it's half market, half dining area. So you can quickly get your bread and all that from here. This is a store for like kids and all that. Okay. Now there are two water fountains on the Dempsey Hill. This is one of them. So I'll show you this one first. So this is one, the smaller one I think, and then we have the bigger one. So this is the smaller one over here. Can you hold it? Just hold it here. Okay, so hold it this side. Okay, this is one water and then Hill fountain. Let's go check out the other one. Okay, so we have some water here as well. Directly, we've got a smaller one here as well. That's the market place over here. Here. So this is another one, and then we'll go and figure that out. Okay, let's go. And this is another thing where we can eat out. We have lots of pizza, guys. So I think we've reached Bombay Garden. Woody, like you can get some furniture and all that. So this is Bombay Garden. You can find Hindi songs, Indian khana, और सब कुछ मिलेगा यहाँ पे. So if you're an Indian guy, you want to eat Indian, you can come here. If you want to eat Western, you come this side. Okay. एक दिन आया था मैं यहाँ पे अपने साइकिल पार्क करने में लगा हुआ था, तो ये पार्क नहीं हो रहा था. I was trying to park my bike over here. So if you come with your bike, you can just park it here. Fix your bike here, like this one. This is also a restaurant. This is the back side. After this side, we have a very, very beautiful side, guys. All the main Italian restaurants, you can eat your pizza and whatever. That side. And this is the big fountain, guys, coming in. There was lighting here as well. But this is like the back side, guys. We have some restaurants there, and then we have this big one coming here. Well, let's go. Let's go. And let's go. Dempsey, Dempsey, Dempsey. आ गए Dempsey के हम लोग. Okay, this is the big Dempsey. बड़े बड़े Dempsey के आ गए. ये भी एक रेस्टोरेंट है गाइस. यहाँ पे पार्किंग होती है. बस मैं वेट करने लगे. You hold this for a second. Faster. And this one was where we went in the Porcherita. That is for Italian pizza. They've been animated. Wow. And then can you show this side as well? Let's go. Okay. Thank you. So I tried this one. They don't have pizza. Pizza नहीं था इनके पास में. बाकी सब चीज़ थी. इसके पास था लेकिन लिमिटेड ऑप्शंस था. ये रहा एक डेम्पसी प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे. इनके पास आया था. यहाँ पे एक इंडियन आदमी था. उसने मेरे को गाइड किया. So he had some pizzas, but you know what? And we might see some good cars. So this is the Dempsey, guys. The entire Dempsey. Okay. This is the walk in the evening. And by the way, सामने से ही I can get down and get to my home directly. Parking lot has a way going down. If you want to eat outside, then you can eat outside from here. And let's go this side. So if you're drinking wine, you know, if you want to drink wine or something like that, you have the wine company. And the more money you have, the more you can spend. If you want to eat outside, you can eat outside. And this is like a, can you come this side here? Okay. So there you can eat, sit outside and eat from there. And this is it from this side. Okay. So we are having a very nice party over here. That's it. Here you can also eat seafood. बहुत सारा सी फूड खा सकते हो. Okay, so there you can see one Ferrari over here. खड़ी है. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. सारे स्टोर्स कवर हो गए. ये वाला भी है अच्छा सा. So I showed you one Ferrari at least in the morning, and this is another Porsche. We're going down there. Okay, you have some art gallery as well. So if you want some art, you can have it here. That's pretty cool. Check out some art. You can buy some art pieces if you like from here. And here. And here as well. Come. We're just going back. Hold on. Okay, guys, I think we have covered most of the Dempsey. This is also a good restaurant, and this one I liked it very much. If you want to eat pizza, come here, guys. This has like a lot of varieties, especially for vegetarians. So you have a lot of varieties, and that's it. Lights are cool. Okay, guys. So now we are going to, and the good thing is the road directly leads to our home back, you know. So I don't have to go the same way back. Oh, another new car. This section. Nice car. And I'm going to show you something that you have never seen. Oh, you might have seen, but not here. Porsche. This is Porsche 911 Korea. Okay. Correct. And this was the back side. This goes towards the parking lot. I can get down from there. मैं अपने घर जा सकता हूँ. I can get down from there and go directly to my home. So I don't have to come that way, which way I came in. So I can just go from there. Cool. So my house, I'm going to do a video on my house as well. So my house, living right next to Dempsey, one of the best places in Singapore. I've got a landed house here, so we'll do a video on that one. Yeah. So this one also you can try, guys, if you want to. This one is temporary. You can sit outside here also. You can sit here also. Oh, we have to go this side. Our home is this side. This one leads to the parking lot, and this one leads directly towards my home. Okay. I want to buy some fruits. You can do it here. I think we got another supercar coming in. Looks like a supercar to me. Is it? Yes, it is a supercar. Porsche. Can you see that? Oh, the Porsche. You can buy some fruits and all that. Eat this fruit, ये वाला कटहल जैसा ही होता है. Yeah, you know, like a jackfruit you can eat over here. Oh, finally, I can go out to my home. Okay, I think we have to go from here. And be careful because